white and blue is your rev pressure. Blue is desired, white is actual, and APPS 1, APPS 2 is your pink and yellow. Now the signal for the APPS 1, APPS 2 is good, but when I was driving earlier, I was having like flat spots. It's possible maybe my throttle is bad, man. Now it's, signal is there. But when I was driving, I was showing empty spots. I changed the FCA, map sensor, IAT, even though I had no faults. I fixed the wiring on the AAT sensor and on the AC compressor. Has stage 2 clutches, valve body, DNJ components, 1800 stall triple disc converter. I don't know, man. It's only on a cold start, and I ain't got no white smoke either. Injectors are 30 over industrial injection, full body, about 20,000 miles on them. I bought a truck with 198. It's at 201 right now. RPM is not hanging. No white smoke, in the morning. I don't know. Let me just keep the voltage. I think it's the APPS 1 and APPS 2 has issues under load when driving, because it's showing missing spots. Not now, but earlier. You see, like this empty spot because the key was off. I was having like a spot. APPS 1, APPS 2. They're supposed to be half of each other. Showing good right now, but like I'm saying, on the load in drive, it's showing empty spots. And then in the morning, when it's cold, it's like running rough, and the pedal is not responsive. I get maybe 5-10 psi max until it warms up. Once it's warm, I get 35-40 psi easily. I don't know what the hell's going on. I check all the grounds, all the wiring, fix all the wiring that need to be fixed on the AC compressor, AAT sensor. And the experts out there, let me know.